na kami.
I've seen you in a movie, I heard you in a song. Now I know that this will never go wrong. Like you already knew me, that's why we get along. Yeah, I know that this will never go. Oh, it's cinematic in the way we connected. Girl, you're so familiar, I never expected you to be right in my arms. And my favorite part, how you talk in the dark. Oh God, there.
1, 2, 3, let's go!
Everyone. So, dapat pupunta kami ngayon sa mag-overnight kami dapat ngayon sa beach. Kaya lang, look at the weather. Medyo makulimlim kaya hindi na kami mag-overnight, bukas na lang. So, kakain dapat kami dito sa Marty. Kaya lang, ang available na nila is burger. So, hindi pa kami naglalak. Hello, last full day namin dito sa Masbate, kaya lang nawawala yung phone ni Hazel. Sana naiwan lang niya sa kanila. Nandito na kami sa harap nila Bambi. Hindi lang kami makasakay kasi low tide pa, at saka nawawala nga yung phone ni Hazel. So, quick story, si Kuya Tricycle kasi yung naglagay ng bag ni Hazel sa likod ng tricycle and naka-open lang yung bag and then nandun yung phone. So, pagbaba namin, nakita daw ni Hazel si Kuyang driver na may sinuksok sa pants and pagbaba namin, chinek niya agad. So, wala dun yung cellphone niya. Pero, walang nasagot. Hindi niya tinanong yung motor. Hindi. Sabi nga niya, i-check daw sa ano ni Kuya.
Iniiwan sa ano?
Sa kanila? Sa bahay? Ayun, kaya siya umuwi. Off to the boat! Wala na. Hindi na talaga namin mahanap yung phone ni Hazel. So, life must go on. And punta na kami dun sa bangka. Low tide. Kaya, hindi mailapit yung sa cottage. Dapat dito lang kami sa mga puno. Kaya lang, hindi ko marumi. Ay, sorry! Marumi yung dagat dito. So, pupunta kami dun sa my cottage. So, magyapak daw. Ito na yung cottage. 1K? Hindi, 500 lang siguro to.
1K daw pag overnight.
So since di naman kami overnight, 500 lang to. Dito na lang kami. Tapos, meron pa silang duyan. Cutie. Ganda.
There's a highway out of this town, and the stars light it up as they shine on down. She's driving off in this world alone. No, she ain't never going home. She lights a cigarette, puts one end on the steering wheel, and the radio plays her favorite songs.
Tatagawin mo yung ulo. Kung tatagawin mo yung ulo, daramdamin mo yun. Daramdamin mo yun. Ito yung magiging kaya sa iyo.
And if the lyrics get messed up, she won't give up and sing along. She sings along. The girl
saka mo?
Mahulog na.
Adto na. Tostado na yun na, boy.
Dandan ba, no?
Uy, may nahulog, may ebidensya. Aton mga parasugba. B-boy and Stanley. Hi. Hi, doggy.
Bakit hindi sumawa si mother?
Di man ito nag-enjoy sa ano? Tawid dagat? May bubuon.
Hindi na kita sa ano.
Ayun, naiwan yung sabon namin, Ray. 1 week ago.
May sabon pa. Pwede pa ina.
She said so long, got rid of her phone. She ain't ever going home.
Naawa ba ako sa amin? Usad na lang kami, ah.
Oo.
True naman yun.
Porket kami ang pinaka ano, na-experience mo yung best, di ba?
Lagi na lang doon.
Girls, parang, ay girls, guys, parang ano na kayo dyan. 2 hours na.
Help naman, Mesh.
Baka kung ano nang nagkakaigihan na kayo, ha?
Ay, hindi ko sure.
Sorry.
Puti na, luto na siya.
Yes.
Pag transparent na ba o ano ba?
Puti pa.
Puti yung sabaw.
Hindi,
Diba?
puti yung ano. Puti na itong ano. Itong bulinaw.
Yung bulinaw, besh. Diba kanina parang ano pa siya, grayish?
Oo.
Pwede na yung dance.
So, titikman natin ang kinilaw. Tikman mo natin yung sabaw. Sap. Sap ng sabaw.
Sarap ko.
Fairness. Time to eat.
Pansin namin siya, Mama Ray. Ay, sorry, Mesh.
Vlogging the vlogging. Nakukaris, thank you so much.
Hello po. Hello po.
Okay, let's eat.
Diet po ako. Si Mama na is wala doon.
Ooh, yes. Sarap! Ito ang shell. Raj, look oh. There's a shell oh. Tapos ito yung view namin ah.
Bangka.
The island life. Hi! Oh, yay!
Kita. Ay, hindi po kita.
Ayan.
Ayan na.
Tulingan.
Legend of the Cross na.
Una baso!
You're a masterpiece. My clothes look real good on your t-shirt with the rainbow stripe. Nighttime is a luxury.
Dahil wala po kaming baso,
Let's get
improvise.
each other up to speed. I can see the blister of your heels.
Let's go, Hugas!
In a silhouette up on the still, dolly brush stroke with the canvas. Gotta let the paint dry. Bourbon make us feel fine. Body heat make the skin cry. Baby, babe, it's a good night. When we wake up still on the bedside. Da 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 da. Pillows rock star symphony. Souls connect so physically. Yeah. Da 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 da
Kailangan natin mag-disinfect.
Hindi! Nakakapangina yung sige, pahiga mo hanggang sa humiga. Dito ka sa may tabla. Ano pala? Ano ba yun? Ang buhos sa likod. Bakit sa likod?
Ang aming maalo.
There's a highway out of this town, and the stars light it up as they shine on down. She's driving off in this world alone. No, she ain't never going home. She lights a cigarette, puts one end on the steering wheel, and the radio plays her favorite songs.
Pastor na isama sa batay niya.
Welcome to our house! Tapos, other room tayo, guys.
Sinira niya, no? Bakit? Uy,
Bagong-bago, kaka-deliver pa lang. Upo ako, upo din. Sino ito may maliit? Arangkasan kami.
Packing. The saddest part. The saddest part. Maleta kayo, girl.
Nasuot lahat.
Nasuot lahat. Naghiraman pa.
Dito po, naghihintay lang po ng mga... Hindi, alam niyo yan.
Hindi na kaya maganda pa, Del. Gabi na naman ribo kanina.
May ano nga, yung parang may rest. Dinner. Hindi masala.
Di ba, ma?
Regali na sa amon, ma?
Kuchilyo. Oh, na kuchilyo. Christ our Lord.
I rolled the possibilities and everything I used to be out of reach. I'm back where I started, empty-handed and heavy-hearted, hanging on to memories. It feels like I'm stuck in the deep end, and I'm reaching out for helping. Somebody tell me that I'll be alright. It's just a matter of time, a matter of time. Can somebody tell me you need the dark to see the light? It's just a matter of time, a matter of time. You don't need to pretend that you're fine. It's just a matter of time. It's just a matter of time. It's just a matter of time. It's just a matter of dark and light is someone too. That's what I set out to do, but I'm losing faith. I'm back in my mom's basement, and it feels like I'm wasting time. Or am I just too